Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Simple Dimple Fidget Toy. So let's get started. Okay, so the supplies you need is a water bottle, an empty water bottle, some scissors, hot glue, and a marker. And you also need adult supervision since the hot glue is really dangerous. Okay, so the first step is to get your water bottle and cut this top part off. Okay, so if yours is not cutting, you can ask an adult to help you cut it with something else. But this is how mine looks so far. Okay, so the next step is to grab your water bottle again and trace this part onto your water bottle with your marker. Okay, so after you're done tracing it with this, then you're going to cut this part out with your scissors. And this part is going to be easier because it's much thinner than this. Okay, so now I cut it out. You're going to get this piece and attach this with your hot glue gun on the part you cut with your hot glue. So since this hot glue part is really hard and dangerous, you should have an adult do it. So I have been letting my hot glue sit for a while. Okay. So I'm going to connect it. You're going okay. Okay, and now you wait for it to dry. Okay, so it is dry. So now to make this work, you're going to press down. See? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Oh, and have fun with your new Simple Dimple. Bye.